how to replace the bags from one of those yonders, and I'm talking about the cloth bags. I bought a kit on Amazon for like 25 bucks or something like that. So we are gonna put it on the new frame. But first we need to take this old cloth out and just pretty much rip it. That's it. We want the frame because the new bags don't come with the frame, so we need to rip off the old ones and we can install the new ones. Okay, we got our frames without the cloth, so we're gonna unpackage. Here are the new ones, right? All new ones with all new hardware for the bags and hardware for the chutes, in case that your chutes are damaged and they don't have this kind of like bungee cord kind of thing to stretch the tubes so they won't move. So there you go, everything on the package. But before we start installing them, we are gonna have to remove all these little rivets. We like the action and the sparks. We're gonna use a grinder with it. We're ready to go. Okay. Okay. See how they coming off? Not completely, so we're gonna use the drill now. Okay, let's see. There you go. They're off. Now we're gonna go with the other one. I'm gonna use the drill over there. It should come off already. And there we go. We want this bracket to come off. Now we're gonna use one of these little things, and we're just gonna add them back. I guess about there. There you go. And they're out. And guess what? It's now time to put the back. And for those of you that don't know, this part has to be to the front, basically on the back of the seat. All these has to be facing out like this. Okay, let's start by checking the bracket. If this bracket goes like this, that means that this one is the left bag. This one is facing out, so that means that this part has to be facing in like this, right? Okay, in order to do that, we are going to start putting our bag. We are going to start with this hole right here. All the way around, there you go. So guess what? Our part that has to be in the front is now on the side. That's not the way that we want it, right? No big deal. We continue Ooh. Move it around. Don't worry if you get it wrong on the first, right? Or guess what? Let's go back. If you get it wrong on the first time, I mean, not a big deal. You just have to kind of work it out until you have it where you want it, right? Go, almost there. There you go. And that's where we want it. See? This one we say that is when you're sitting down on the tractor is going to be the one on the left. So the bracket is here. You put it on, and this is the protective cloth so you don't get the dust to the front where you're sitting. So now it goes our bracket right here. See? And we're ready to put the balls. Okay, now see, we got plenty of hardware in here. We're not gonna use it all because we don't need it all, right? Those I think they're good on the back system that I have, but what we're gonna be using is these bolts right here, bigger washers too. All these, well, the nuts as well, yeah, of course. So now, what are we gonna have to do? Well, we're gonna have to put this one facing that way because the bracket hooks into the bagger system, but the bolts, they always go out in like this. Then you put your washer and then you put your nut, right? Why is it important to put them this way? Well, because when you put it on the bracket over there, this one doesn't have too much going on the outside, so you're able to put or hook it up into the bracket. But this is the tricky part right here. Oh, I think that one's thicker, so let me use that one. This is the tricky part right here. To put this nut where it belongs. You put the nut in there, and then you twist the ball. That way, it's gonna grab into the nut. Okay, now with our 7/16 wrench and our Phillips screwdriver, we're gonna tie them up. Good. Now the other one. That's what I want to show you guys. And here we got ourselves our new bagging system for the Yondin 100 series, or in this case the D140. See, no big deal. Hope this one helps, and see you guys into the next one.